Hello everyone, this is Frank. So this is just a really quick video for one of my subscribers named James, but feel free to watch it if it helps you as well. So James commented on my channel here saying that he didn't see the Bing image available on his menu. It's a little bit tricky, so let me show you this. If you go up to the whiteboard here and you go into your settings, this is where you can do things like ink to shape and ink to table, but for what James was experiencing, underneath privacy and security, if you go in there, you'll notice that you can send diagnostic data to Microsoft, and let's help them out. And then the connected experiences needs to be turned on. And so that will allow you to do things like Bing and things like using your camera and stuff. So if you're having problems with certain menu items not being on, just go ahead and put in the connected experiences. And I also like to actually ink to shape. And then, so if you go in here, and now when you go into here, you'll see that the Bing image is available, and that will actually go out, and you can search for, let's do subscribe button. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Well, there's no images for subscribe, okay, because I didn't spell it right. What are we doing here? Subscribe. There we go, subscriber. Whew. That was a lot of work just to get that image. So I'll put that in there so you can subscribe to Tube. That's kind of a weird image. Anyways, there you go, James. I hope that helped you and anybody else who watched. That's a very quick video.